Hello and welcome to Tash Life 2. Today we are out in the garden and I'll take you over and show you what we're going to do. Okay, so this is where we're working today. Trying to find a good spot. There we go. This is the bed that I planted the seed potatoes in, and as you can see they've all died off. I was going to hill this bed up. I was going to get some more hay and hill it up, but I never got a chance to do it before it started dying off. So we are going to... Hello. So we are going to be digging this one up today. The kids will be helping me, so I will probably just turn the sound off and put some music on and you can watch us dig up the potatoes. So let's get into it. So this is what we've managed to collect. I wouldn't really consider this a success. I should have held it up earlier. That's probably the biggest one. So it's not very big. I've got a couple that are split. Yeah, I think if I'd held it up it might have been better. But I just didn't get to it. And, well, at least we've got something. We've got a little feed there. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.